In the hustle and bustle of downtown Chicago, there is a small watch repair shop called I&M Watch Repair and Jeweler in Chicago Landmark Diamond Center. The owner, Murtaza Hassan, is a local professional watchmaker who started his business in 2008.
This is my family business. Yeah, you can say like I'm second generation, and I learned from my father-in-law and his friend watchmaker. He's a watchmaker too, so I learned from two guys. I do here mostly the repair watches. People bring different type of watches. Sometimes mostly we do batteries replacement, and somehow if battery doesn't work, then we need to the whole cleaning the watch. Sometimes people bring more major repairs, sometimes like minor repairs. We do all kind of watches. Some watches like coarse inside movement run through the battery. Another like some vintage watches, manual windings, and some self windings. This mechanical inside the problems we solve it.
Hassan says he loves watches since he was a little child.
I like the watches since when I'm a childhood. I open the watch, and that's why when I raise up, I'm gonna go in this field and I like it, the work.
Hassan feels that nowadays people start to replace their watches with their smartphones.
In this market, a lot of watches. Just Apple introduced the new watch, But the people still want to keep the just simple watch. Just take a look the time. Sometime when you driving like different place, you don't sometimes have carry the phone. Basically, people like the just simple watch.
For Mediu News, I'm Wei Wei.